Welcome back to another Seat of the Pants episode of 1030S with me, Scott. Got these little rib structures in yesterday, and I thought I was going to get back and put these riblets on, but I had to work, paperwork all day. I really hate it. It's not good for your health sitting around all the time. I tell you that. I hate sitting in front of a computer. Even editing these videos, you know, where I got to sit down for an hour and do all that. I'd much rather be outside playing. Guess what? It is a beautiful day outside here in southeastern Virginia. It's going to be a hot one, about 90 degrees, sunny. Haven't had any rain in a week or so, which is great. So I haven't had to mow the grass every other day. Let's go ahead and glue these riblets on and get this done. Yep, there's a little bit left. I thought I was going to use the last bit of that cord, but there's still a little bit left. God's blessing us around here, me, my children. Health and happiness, prosperity. I hope He's doing the same for you. Of course, none of it comes without hard work on our half too. It takes two, remember, it takes two or more. You want God to be on your side, you got to be on His side. That sounds fair, right? Nothing tricky about that. Don't tell me how much epoxy I have on the floor. I know I got it all over me the past year. It's been 1 year since I started on this plane, since I started making these videos. Thanks for everybody that's hung in there that long. That's a long time. Right here at this rib, it gets a doubler. I'm going to glue it on after. I want to make sure this first one gets a really good fit. You know, I like a tight fit. The ones that go where the plywood butts up, the 3 sections of plywood, they're a 1/4 inch ribs, and then I'm adding an 1/8 inch rib to it later to give a nice wide spot for the 2 pieces of plywood to join together and butt up. per design. These little clamps have lasted me a long time. I'm almost done with them. And they're about wore out and glued up and all messed up. Staple that. Can't get them all straight now though. Got way too much glue. Looking like a wing now though, ain't it? The port wing is looking like a wing. All right, how do you like that? Gotta hold it there for a minute until you get glued in place. Come back, I'm gonna put these rib ends on. Put these on doublers on those. Even if I don't have the right bolts, I'm gonna put it in. I'll just have to get in here with a wrench later to put those in, that's all. Yeah. All right. Well, that's enough for now. See if I can get some more stuff done. I gotta go in there and work on the wife's bathroom, and she'll probably yell for me a minute. She's working on the swimming pool. I got the day off today, so got a lot of stuff I gotta do. Looks like we're gonna be okay. Looks like my lineup is good for the, this piece is going to end up going on the nose here when I get done. Anyway, don't forget guys, keep looking up. That's where our Savior's coming from. See you later.